Okay, this is going to be another requested video by Tom fans. He went to see my box fans. I have another one, it's called Alaska Wind Tunnel. It's really just too cheap to show. I don't really like it that much. So I'm not going to show that one. This one I'm not really a fan of either. This is where they started to get in the cheaper age, as you can see. Plastic blades. The cord is really short on this fan. Very short. It's a Robenson, like I said. It's not the right way. There it is, Robenson. And it looks like a Toastmaster knockoff because the blades look exactly like the Toastmasters and they're pretty flimsy as well. This is a very unbalanced fan and it's extremely loud. I'll start off on low first. I need to get feet for this one because the cabinet is kind of small and it does not stay even when it's on the high speed on carpets. Oops. Medium speed is loud. High speed is very loud. See what I mean? And then goes off. Gonna get a good startup sound. Here we go. Does have a little startup sound. I don't know. It's kind of one of the cheaper box fans I got. Got this at a garage sale for about $5. I'm going to probably say that this is one that probably was not worth it. It's not really a true vintage box fan, so it's not going to be like an excellent box fan. But it's okay. I might try and put on vintage P23 blades if I can get them. Nothing else to say about this fan. This is my late 1990s Robenson. Thanks for watching.